So you can see that our prediction on Nasdaq and GBP was absolutely correct. So since last week, we've been predicting a bullish move on GBPJPY, right? We said that this GBPJPY will give us that bullish move. See, it is able to tap this our resistance level. Now that we've gotten this movement and it has tapped our resistance level, we now predicted, yesterday that we will be expecting that sell to drop to come to tap our support level, and you can see that market is also moving that way. So that is to tell you that about 90% of our analysis on GBPJPY is absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and you can also stay updated, especially if you trade GBPJPY, right? You can also stay updated by following the Telegram. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, let's take a look at why we were expecting a drop from this resistance level and why we are going to be expecting to drop till it is able to tap this level of 210. Now, when you zoom it out and you go to your forward time frame, first thing first, you need to understand something, and which is the trend. Before you take a trade, you need to know the trend. And as you can see on GBPJPY, GBPJPY is in a ranging market move. So from this level right here, market was able to reject from this level, which is our support level. Then it push up, right? And guess what it did? It also rejected from this level, which we would not take to be our resistance. The market eventually dropped back, right, to the support level. Guess what the market did again? It rejected from the support level and it bounced up back to this resistance level. Then once it got to this resistance level, right, market rejected from this resistance level and it eventually dropped back to the support level, right? Now that we've gotten this drop to our support level, now market has now rejected from this our support level and it bounced back to our resistance level. Now from this resistance level, we told you guys that we said that we should be expecting a sell, we should be expecting a rejection from here, and this is exactly what market is doing. Market is rejecting, and we will be expecting that sell for it is able to drop back to this our support level. So whatever you would want to be doing on your GBPJPY, you're going in for the sell. Now let's go down to the 1 hour time frame right here. So this is our first low, right? This is the lower high. This is your lower low, and this is the lower high. This market was able to drop again to form a new lower low, and a lower high is playing out. So in your London section, right, once the lower high finish playing out, which I believe it would have played out finished by then, in your London section, what you should be looking at for is a sell that should eventually give you a new lower low. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your GBP JPY, looking for your sell setup. Once you get to the sell setup, then go ahead and take in the sell. So above all, we would still continue that bearish move till market is able to drop and take out this our tap, this our support level. So more bearish move for the day. More updates will be covered on this for you guys. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the next updates.